Everyone thinks making perfect rice is simple. Just water, heat, and time, right? But the truth is, cooking rice the right way is an art. And the best rice cookers of 2025 turn that art into science. Today, we're looking at 5 incredible rice cookers that don't just cook rice. They transform your kitchen routine into something effortless, precise, and even exciting. If you've ever heard serious cooks talk about rice cookers, you've probably heard the name Zojirushi. The Neuro Fuzzy technology inside this model is what really sets it apart. Instead of following a fixed timer like cheaper cookers, this one actually thinks. It uses advanced sensors and a microchip that constantly adjusts cooking time and temperature depending on the rice you're making. Sushi rice, jasmine, basmati, brown rice. Each one requires different heat control, and this cooker gets it right every single time. It has a 5.5 cup capacity, which makes it a great fit for singles, couples, or small families who want consistent results without guesswork. Beyond rice, it also has settings for porridge and mixed rice dishes, giving you flexibility. Zojirushi products are also built to last, with a non-stick pot that resists wear and tear and a sturdy design that people use for years. This isn't just a rice cooker, it's a kitchen partner that guarantees perfection in every bowl. South Korea is known for its food culture, and when it comes to rice, they don't play around. That's why the Cuckoo CR-0655F has such a loyal following. This model proves that budget-friendly doesn't have to mean basic. With a 6-cup capacity, it's a great fit for smaller households. But what really makes it shine is its versatility. Yes, it handles plain white rice beautifully, but it also comes with functions for soups, stews, and even cakes. The steaming option lets you prepare vegetables and proteins while the rice cooks, turning it into a multi-purpose machine that saves both time and counter space. One of its standout features is the removable steam cap and non-stick inner pot, making cleaning unbelievably simple. No one wants to scrub pots after dinner. The sleek, modern design also fits nicely in any kitchen style, whether you're in a dorm, an apartment, or a family home. For the price, it delivers way more than expected, making it one of the smartest buys of the year. Now, let's talk about size and flexibility. The COSORI 5.0 quart rice cooker is huge, and that's a good thing. It's designed for families, gatherings, or anyone who loves to cook in big batches. With 9 different cooking functions, this machine isn't just about rice, it's about unlocking dozens of recipes. You can use it for risotto, slow-cooked stews, steamed fish, and even oatmeal breakfasts. The large LCD display makes choosing functions straightforward, and the presets are simple enough that even beginners can use it without feeling overwhelmed. Another big plus? The automatic keep warm mode, which holds your food at the perfect temperature for hours without drying it out. That means you can cook in the morning and serve later without losing quality. COSORI designed this model with busy families in mind, and it shows. It's reliable, easy to use, and versatile enough to replace multiple small appliances. KitchenAid is a brand most Americans trust for mixers and kitchen durability, but their grain and rice cooker proves they're just as good outside of baking. Unlike many rice cookers, this one is built specifically to handle a variety of grains, not just white rice. Whether you're into quinoa, bulgur, oats, or farro, this cooker adjusts for different textures and moisture needs. The non-stick interior is reinforced with a scratch-resistant coating, so you don't have to worry about wear after months of daily use. Another feature that really sets it apart is the glass lid, which gives you full visibility while cooking. It's a small thing, but it adds reassurance and control. You can literally see the process without lifting the lid and losing heat. KitchenAid also included a memory function, so if you have a favorite way of preparing your rice or grains, it will remember it and repeat it every time. It's built for people who want both quality and long-term reliability, and in typical KitchenAid style, it feels like a premium product that will last for years. Instant Pot has become a household name for good reason, and the Duo Mini is the brand's answer to small kitchens and big expectations. What makes it stand out is its 7-in-1 functionality. It's not just a rice cooker, it's also a pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. With a 3-quart capacity, it's compact enough to fit in tight spaces, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or even RVs. But don't let the size fool you. This little device packs the same technology that made Instant Pot famous. The stainless steel inner pot gives it durability and health benefits over non-stick options, while the precise pressure cooking technology ensures meals come out tender and flavorful in record time. Whether you're cooking a quick weeknight dinner, meal prepping for the week, or just making fluffy rice, the Duo Mini delivers. It's basically like having a full kitchen in one appliance, and that's why it's one of the most popular small cookers in America right now.